This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please refer to the instructions for use for general safety info, cautions, and detailed information on the product. To measure the user, use a tape measure capturing their circumference at 6 inches or 15 centimeters above mid-patella. If in between sizes, choose the smaller size for optimal fit. For brace application, unfasten the thigh strap and wrap around. Loosen the remaining straps, but do not remove them from the D-rings. With the leg in full extension, grasp the device with one hand on the side, the other on the hinge, and pull the device over their knee. Wrap the thigh part around the back of the thigh and fasten the hook and loop. To prevent movement, grasp the hinge with one hand and with the other hand tighten the anterior strap. Insert the straps through the corresponding D-ring and fasten the straps at the calf and thigh in the order shown. Bend the knee to an 80-degree angle and tighten the DFS strap until it sits firmly against the leg. With the knee in full extension, verify correct position and strap tension. An increase in strap tension should be felt. Readjust if needed. For device removal, unfasten the thigh strap and wrap around. Loosen the remaining straps, but do not remove them from the D-rings. Grip the device at the level of the calf and pull it off in a downward direction. For cleaning and care, hand wash using mild detergent and rinse thoroughly. Air dry, do not expose to direct heat. Avoid contact with salt water or chlorinated water. In case of contact, rinse with fresh water and air dry. Do not machine wash, tumble dry, iron, bleach, or wash with fabric softener.